Many eggs were trapped under the wheel of the car in a moment and broke. I attached a sharp blade to wheel of the car and ran it over the Coca-Cola bottle. Have you seen how many bottles of the 7-Up we have taken? Now you will drive over all these. How beautiful the puppet was moving, but suddenly the car ran over the puppet. A plastic toy filled with jelly didn't burst after the car drive over it, then we cut it with a knife. I have arranged many bottles filled with water inside the road and I will drive over these balloons. Drive over some very cute little balls. I put some toy truck under the wheel of the car and we left the wheels of the car on top. What are these balloons doing to escape from the wheel of the car? These days some ice cream packets are left under the car wheel. I put a balloon on top of a Coca-Cola can bottle and put it under the wheel of the car. I left a packet of chips under the wheel of the car. I put some plastic toy box under the wheel of the car. As soon as the pressure of the car hit the bottle of the can, the bottle burst. Because of their story, the eggs are in danger under the wheel of the car. I left a big milk packet under the wheel of the car. I trapped the wheel of the car with both hands on the glass. What will happen if you drop over the legs? But we wouldn't do that with the plastic legs. I dropped over a few ice cream packets.